Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Trust Wallet QR code. This guide will help you confidently receive cryptocurrency. We will cover opening the app, selecting your desired asset, and locating the receive details. You will also learn crucial security tips to protect your digital assets. Let's get started and make your crypto transactions smooth and secure.
Next, selecting the right staking platform is vital. There are many options available, each offering different annual percentage yields and supporting various cryptocurrencies. Take time to research their security protocols, user reviews, and overall reputation. Some platforms might require a minimum amount of crypto to stake or have specific lockup periods, so be sure to understand these terms before proceeding. Once you have chosen a platform, navigate to its official website. You will typically find a Connect Wallet button, often in the upper right-hand corner. Click this button and select your wallet from the list of options, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Your wallet will then prompt you to approve the connection. After connecting, follow the platform's specific instructions to select the cryptocurrency and amount you wish to stake, then confirm the transaction. After successfully staking, it is important to regularly monitor your rewards and the overall performance of your staked assets. Familiarize yourself with the unstaking process, including any cooldown or unbonding periods, which can vary significantly between platforms. Remember that claiming rewards or unstaking your funds may incur small network fees. Always keep your wallet's seed phrase and private keys absolutely secure to protect your investments.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.